Stephanie Deeds, your favorite realtor here at the Deeds Group at Point Realty. And I have got your market update for you here today, looking at June of this year, 2022, versus June of last year, 2021. So same old story, same thing we have been telling you for months and probably years at this point. We are still seeing prices appreciate. So we have seen in Tarrant County the average price go from $386 to $463. It is just crazy how much we have seen values increase. Johnson County went $333 to $417. I've got Ellis, Dallas, Collin, and Denton counties in this report if you look in the comments as well. So you can see our whole, we've got the whole Dallas-Fort Worth area covered. Days on market is staying pretty steady at 14 days in Tarrant County. It actually didn't change from year over year. We're seeing an increase in some areas, a decrease in other areas. So like Johnson County went from 26 days last year to 21 now, but in Ellis County it was 19 days last year and now it's 28. So we are seeing some differences there, but still overall, if you are less than 30 days on market, we do not have enough inventory. That is what is happening. The number of homes for sale, this is something that's different. Every time I have recorded one of these market updates, I have had to tell you we have fewer homes for sale, fewer homes for sale, fewer homes for sale now than we did before. We actually have seen a big increase in the number of homes for sale, and that is good news. That is good news. So at this time last year, we had less than 8,000 available for sale, and this time, like right now, sorry if I can speak better, that would be great. We have more than 12,000 homes for sale in the North Texas MLS. So that is fantastic news. The number of homes sold did go down because that inventory didn't go up until just recently. So I have a feeling that we will see the number of homes sold start to increase again. The number of homes sold has decreased just because there was so little inventory. There were not homes to purchase. So anyway, all that being said, take a look at this report if you are curious about your specific house in your specific neighborhood, or if you are someone who is looking at trying to make a purchase and you have questions about interest rates, or you have questions about home values, or what the market's going to do, or whatever. And so I'm going to give you just my little elevator speech about what I think is happening. First of all, I'm going to tell you a lot of what's happening in our economy has never happened before. At the same time, like we have seen high inflation rates, we have seen increasing property values, we have seen, oil and gas prices, go up and down and all around. Like there's a lot of different things that are happening in the economy right now that I can't say they haven't happened before, but a lot of these things have never happened at the same time. So there are lots of economists studying what's going on. And most of them will tell you this is what we think is going to happen, but this is a pretty interesting time in our history that nobody knows for sure what to expect. As far as interest rates go, a lot of what I have heard is that with the hikes that are expected, that we will see probably sometime by January, we might reach the 7% mark. So one of the things I have been telling people, it's kind of sounds a little cliche and kind of silly, but is marry the price, date the interest rate, because the prices are going to continue to appreciate. We know that that's happening. The inventory, the supply and demand with low inventory, there's kind of no way around that. The home prices will continue to increase. Are they going to increase 20% like they did before? No, but will they increase 5 to 7%? Yes, that's kind of where we are on that. So marry the price, because if you don't buy the price now, you're going to end up paying more a year from now. You'll pay more and the interest rates will likely be higher. There is supposedly hope on the horizon that, we've got these 6 and maybe up to 7% later on, in the next several months. But in the next few years, ultimately, they are supposed to come down again. So you can refinance the lower price that you pick today. You can refinance rather than paying a higher price waiting for interest rates to go down. So if you have more questions about that, I'm happy to, I can get on a soapbox and talk about it for hours. So would love the opportunity to give you as much information as you would like to have. So hope everyone's doing wonderful and that your summer is going great and that you are staying cool in this crazy heat. And we will see you soon. Thanks so much for watching.